Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Telegram sensitive contents on Android. Let's get started. Firstly, let's open the Chrome browser because from your Telegram app, there is no such kind of feature. So, we need to go for Web Telegram. When we open the Chrome browser, here, search for Web Telegram org. Then, you will see this kind of interface. Now, you can see 3 bars on the top left corner. Click on it. It will show you this kind of menu. Here, go to Settings. Now, in this interface, you can see many options. Go for Privacy and Security. Now, scroll down until you find Disable Filtering. Now, click on it in order to turn on Disable Filtering. So, that wraps it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.